Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own viral videos like this for free. We're exploring Viggle AI, a powerful tool that lets you create amazing videos in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access this technology for free and walk you through everything step by step. Whether you're making fun content or bringing your ideas to life, Viggle AI makes it easy. Let's dive in and see what it can do.
With me in the first place. Now I start to get a little ahead. I start to get a little something for myself.
Search for Viggle AI on Google and visit the website. Click on Try on Web and sign up using Google or your email. Once you've completed the sign-up process, this is what the page will look like. Here you can see different features: mix, wrap, multi, and move.
And here, you can see the templates to choose from for your characters.
So, to create our videos, I navigate to the Mix option, where I upload the video and the character. The Mix feature in Viggle AI lets you animate a still character by adding it to a moving video. This makes the character copy the movements in the video, bringing the image to life. Then, click Generate. After a short while, the video will be ready. Just make sure the body measurements match your reference video for better results.
Ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there.
And this result, despite its problems, it is still really fascinating.
Let's move on to the second example. This time, I'm going to select green background because it's important for the next step.
Let's watch the video with this character. See how smooth and steady the animation is. It's an impressive technology. Now, I just need to remove the character from the original video and replace it with Messi. So you can use this free site to remove objects. It may be of lower quality, but will provide acceptable results.
Import your desired video and use the brush tool to completely cover all parts of the character.
Check the preview, and if it looks acceptable, click the Export button. Now, import the videos into CapCut. Then navigate to the Video section, select the Chroma Key option, and choose the color green. Click on the green background. It works quite well, right? You can also adjust the intensity to remove any lingering green edges. And this is the result. Once you're happy with your project, simply click the Export button, and CapCut will generate your final video. Viggle AI offers a wrap feature that enables you to create rap songs and animate characters effortlessly. Navigate to the Wrap section. Upload an image of the character you wish to animate. For optimal results, use a clear full body. You can write your own rap lyrics or let Viggle AI create them for you. The background is set to an image, which is fine. Next, we have the Lyrics Display option. Clicking on it lets you choose how the lyrics will appear in the video. You can place them behind or in front of the character and select a font style. If you want to remove the watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Once everything is set, click Generate.
What is life but a game we ride and fight? City lights shining, we own the night. Chasing dreams that never seem to land. While the world keeps turning, we make our stand. Got my crew, my pride, we hustle hard. Through the struggle, life's a boulevard. Keep the real ones close, never fade away. In this life we play, we slay. Every day, on these streets where shadows dance, we stay.
The character moves smoothly and syncs well with the beat, making it fun to watch.
If satisfied, download the video to your device for sharing or further editing.
Now, we move on to the multi feature, where you can replace multiple characters in a single video. First, click on Template, then pick a video with multiple characters whose movements you want to copy. Choose a background, like the original video, a white background, a green screen, or other options based on your needs. Upload the characters. For each character in the video, upload a picture that you want to bring to life.
Overall, this feature is great for making interactive videos where multiple characters move together in a scene.
The Move feature in Viggle AI lets you make a character move in a still image while keeping the original background. Upload a clear picture of the character you want to animate. Then add a video showing the movement you want. This feature is great for making photos come to life, creating fun social media content, or making animations while keeping the original background. The Move feature makes animation easy, so anyone can get professional results without needing advanced skills. With Viggle AI, you can make fun videos for social media that people love to share. It lets you turn pictures into moving characters that can dance, walk, and do other actions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.
What is life but a game we ride and fight? City lights shining, we own the night. Chasing dreams that never seem to land. While the world keeps turning, we make our stand. Got my crew, my pride, we hustle hard. Through the struggle, life's a boulevard. Keep the real ones close, never fade away. In this life we play, we slay. Every day, on these streets where shadows dance, we stay.